Hey guys, this is an Android keyboard. You could buy it on eBay or Amazon. This is Android USB keyboard. And you could get them real dirt cheap for like $12 to $30. Usually around the $12 range. Sometimes they're $10. But anyways, they're really cheap Chinese keyboards for the Androids or tablets with USB. You could see the keyboard pad right here. It has a slot for the stylus. The USB is right here. Really, all in all, it's a good case. Also on eBay, you could search Android 4.0 tablets, and on Amazon too. I got a white one for $70 before. I don't know where it is. But anyways, it's really good. Has a camera in the back, I think. Maybe one in the front. I don't remember. But really, it's a really good Android. Has lots of gaming compatibilities. But there's like this black Android 2.3 one that's better. I can't remember the name. Anyways, there are really cheap Android tablets that are good quality you could get on eBay and in some retail stores as well, and on Amazon.com. Anyways, as for the keyboards, they're okay quality as well. I'd rate this one in particular like 2.9 for the design and 3 out of 5 for compatibility and 4 out of 5 for design implication features. So overall, though, I would rate this whole keyboard 5.5 out of 10. I know that's a little low, but I would recommend this as a better alternative to the more expensive keyboards, because really there's not much of a difference, guys. I mean, you may want to get like the $60 keyboards, okay, but really I think this as a cheaper alternative is actually as good, or yeah. Anyways, so tell me tell me the name of an Android keyboard you like in the comments below. Share, subscribe. Thanks, guys.